Hi, I'm John the Maintenance Man, and today we are resetting a GFCI or a GFI receptacle. You can find these receptacles in kitchens, baths, laundry rooms, garages, and outside. They are designed to turn off in the event of a shock, and you can commonly find them around water. To start, I always want to remind you to protect yourself and wear your safety glasses. The most common fix for a tripped GFCI is to simply reset the receptacle by pushing the reset button. First, we're going to test. No power. I'm going to press the reset button, and now we have power. Don't worry about the indicator light. Each brand has its own style of indicator. If you find yourself with a receptacle near a sink or in your garage that does not have power, it could still be protected by a GFCI receptacle. Go ahead and follow along the wall to your nearest GFCI and reset like you did before. Then we're going to go ahead and test our original receptacle to make sure that we have power. For our last scenario, I want to show you what to do if your GFCI receptacle does not want to reset. A GFCI will not reset if there is no power. So this is now going to take us to our breaker panel. In this home, the breaker panel is located in the garage, but they can also commonly be found in laundry rooms and basements. In each panel, there's a label describing what each breaker goes to. For our kitchen, it is breaker number 13. So we go ahead and find our breaker number 13, and it is obviously tripped. The switch is in the middle. So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn it all the way off and then push it all the way on. We have now successfully reset our breaker. I'll see you in the kitchen. Now that we have successfully restored power to our kitchen receptacles, we can now reset like we did before and test our receptacle. If none of these solutions worked, or if you have any concerns about electrical problems in your home, please call your maintenance department. We are always here to help you. Thank you for watching. We're all in this together.